Supplementary cost list, item number 1.
So before we start, New Year's greeting to those of you whom I have not been able to greet. Some I have greeted, but some have not been able to. I hope you had a very good vacation, and I hope that this new year we will expect cooperation and help from the esteemed member of the bar. Let's proceed. Yes, Mr. Department.
So, Your Lordship, here I am before this honorable court with a petition. This is the appeal against the conviction, and there is a delay for 92 days.
We'll accept notice, Your Lordship. We don't have.
Yes, serve the copy.
Serve copy.
You have some copy? You have not received?
Let notice be issued, Your Lordship. We'll see.
Oh, he said he has already issued.
Conviction delay is there, delay for 90 days.
Condonation of delay in appeal.
Your Lordship, yes, it can be condoned since they are 92 days only.
Heard Mr. R. Devnath, Lieutenant Counsel, appearing for the applicant. For the appellant. Actually, it should be applicant, not appellant.
Applicant, Your Lordship, yes.
Mr. Devnath, you. So, I applicant. No. Also heard Mr. N.D. Leonard, AAG, appearing for the state respondent. This is an application for condonation of delay in filing the related criminal appeal. Delay of which amounts to how many days? 117 days. On good grounds shown, the court is of the opinion that the delay could be condoned. The same is accordingly condoned. Petition disposed of. Registry to diarize the main appeal and to list it before this court for admission. This is the matter up to 1 week.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Daily cost list, item number 1.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, we are supposed to file a paper book. I pray for further 4 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file my paper book.
Heard Miss Counsel appearing for the appellant. It is prayed that the paper book, which could not be prepared today, may be allowed to be filed within the next date fixed. As prayed for, pray allowed. This is matter up to 4 weeks.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
May it please Lordship. Lordship, in this matter we are supposed to file a paper book, Lordship. So we have received the uncertified copy from the registry and we are yet to file, Lordship. So I humbly pray for another two weeks' time, Lordship.
Kilo court record apa? Court records are here.
Yes, Lordship. So,
Letter counsel for the Mr. Letter counsel for the appellant has prayed that he may be allowed
Lordship, 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
some more time, 3 weeks time to prepare the paperwork as the same could not be prepared today.
Highly obliged.
Mr. A.H. Harwala appearing for the state respondent, Leonard Additional Senior GA appearing for the state respondent, has no objection to the prayer made. Same is allowed. This is matter to 3 weeks.
Highly obliged. Sir.
Much obliged.
Item number 3.
Yes, Mr. Guru, you are in this case.
I'm for the state here.
Who's for the appellant?
S. Chakraborty.
None appears for the appellant. However, the records would show, I, Mr. Aguru, appears for the state respondent. However, records would show that this matter is posted for preparation of paperwork. The same is not on record. The appellant is directed to prepare the paperwork and file it before this court. And file it before the court within the next date fix. This is matter to 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 4.
May it please your lordship, in this matter also I pray for some more time, your lordship, to file my paperwork.
Ayo to kaju ko order mo pass mo
Item number 5 is a connected matter, your lordship.
Same order.
Item number 6.
Highly obliged.
May we please your lordship? Your lordship, my senior's ill health has relapsed again. So your lordship, we pray for 4 weeks time, your lordship.
We will also have to pray for his good health then.
So your lordship.
On pray made by the appellant, let's this matter up to 3 weeks.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I pray for one unlisted motion of one bail, my lord. Already filed, my lord. We
No, it'll come in due.
The conducting counsel is indisposed, Your Lordship, so I pray after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
no problem.
On plea made by the petitioner, not objected to by the state respondent, but as adjourned. This is same after 2 weeks.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, item number 15 also, Your Lordship.
He'll be there.
15. Same order.
Duly obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship.
Number 8.
Item number 8,
What
Your
is-
Lordship.
What is required here? I think we have.
Well, matter was heard while on materiality.
Yes, so.
I have to reply to that.
Okay. See, again, now. Have to. The code has to be refreshed. Again.
Next date will
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
On plea made by the petitioner, not objected to by respondent. This is matter up to 3 weeks.
Similar prayer for item number 10 as well, Your Lordship.
Objection, Your Lordship.
Raju, order mo.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship. Conducting counsel is out of station. Let this matter must
You're
be
for?
filed. I'm for petitioner, Lordship.
Yeah, any objection? On plea made by the petitioner, not objected to by respondent. This is matter up to 3 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
My lord, there are two connected matters. Item number 13 and 14. My lord, the matter fixed for submission of the written synopsis. All the parties are ready. So allow us to submit now, my lord.
It's there in the list. If,
In the list,
only if you ask for adjournment, then you can mention, but let the matter be called up. If it is for filing of written argument, then do it.
Madam, it's just for submission of the written argument only, nothing to argue.
So let the matter be called up, Mr.
Yes, we can do that. Oblige.
The request list, item number 1. Lordship, in this matter, respondent 1 and 2 are supposed to file a counter affidavit.
We have 1 and 2 central.
Yes, sir.
From our side, we have filed, my lord.
Who's 1 and 2? Mr.
Union.
Devnath, where is he? Petitioner is present through Learner Counsel. Respondent number 3 to 5 is also present through Mr. N. Senkal. However, the Learner Counsel for Respondent 1 and 2 is absent. On perusal of the previous order of this court dated 5/12/2023, it appears that the respondent number 1 and 2 are directed to file their counter affidavit, which has not yet been filed according to the office note. Accordingly, the respondent number 1 and 2 are directed to file their counter affidavit within the next date fix. This is matter to 3 weeks.
Item number 3.
But this is an application for extension of time for compliance. My lord, page 22, my lord, the last page, Lord's finances. Page 22, para 34, my lord. The Lordship has given us 3 months' time, my lord. I read, my lord. The petitioner's hearing having been denied to be considered proportion for about 20 years or so, the grievances have to be addressed accordingly. On the authority of the case of Food Corporation of India, this court coming to conclusion that the petitioners have made out a case to be considered for promotion. Accordingly, the competent authority is hereby directed to bring out the relevant recruitment rules, indicating the mode and manner wherewith the petitioner may be promoted to the next higher post. The exercise is directed to be completed preferably within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the judgment in order. My lord, here, my lord, the rules have to be framed, and I have stated in the application that multi-ministerial consultation is required, my lord. So we are praying for 6 months' time, my lord, on this matter, my lord. Or maybe a little shorter also, as your lordship said.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, Mr. Tender.
Lordship, your lordship will remember, only I like to draw your lordship's attention para 8 of the judgment. Para 8 of the judgment. May I read it, madam? Para 8.
Just move.
Yes, para 8, my lord, of the judgment.
Yes.
In this regard, the order dated 25/2020 passed by this court in this case was referred to, in which this court has remarked 17 years. It is unfortunate that the draft recruitment rules have not been finalized, and accordingly, it was directed that the same be finalized within a period of 8 weeks. But yet again, the same has not materialized. Till a few weeks ago, when the respondent have claimed that the relevant recruitment rules have been finalized and have accordingly produced in court copy of Assam Rifle Warrant Officer Group C Computerized Post Rules, Recruitment Rules 2022. However, these rules are not at all relevant to the case of the petitioner. Submits the learned counsel as nothing has been specified as regard the promotion avenues to the post of Naib Subedar and Major Subedar. So, my lord, this order 8 weeks time was granted way back in 2020, my lord, 20th May 2020, your lordship. May, by this honorable court, while the original proceeding was pending, my lord, 8 weeks time. And for 17 years, your lordship have also noted, for 17 years, they are now by this time it is nearly 25 years, they are suffering without any promotion because of the non-framing of the recruitment rules. Non-framing of the recruitment rules. And all petitioners stagnated for 25 years. Some have retired, my lord, by this time. Have retired some.
That is immaterial. See, even if they are retired, notional promotion can always be given to them.
But this is, my lord, how long? Because
the point
was there, my lord. It was delivered. This is my submission, my lord.
Hey,
that may be.
Mr. Chara, it's a prayer for extension of the time allowed by this court. We'll give them some time. You have waited for so long, you might as well wait for a few months. And let's hope that this will be the last chance for you.
My lord, we will try.
I will allow your petition, but that will be the rider.
But 6 months will be too much, my lord. Let it be.
I'm not saying that I'll give 6 months. 4 months?
4 months.
Dr. N. Musica, Leonard DSGI, who has submitted that this court, by order dated
25/5/23.
25/5/23 in
WPC 32
WPC number 32 of 2018 has, at para 34 of the same, directed the respondent, Union of India, to bring out the relevant recruitment rules. The time period given for the same being 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the judgment. However, even at this point of time, the said recruitment rules have not yet been notified. The Leonard DSGI has submitted that this is because of office procedures which involve interdepartmental consultation, etc., and for which reason the said recruitment rules could not be published in accordance with the direction of this code. It is therefore prayed that an extension of the said 3 months period be allowed for a further period of 6 months. Mr. M. Chanda, Learned Counsel for the respondents. You are appearing for all the respondents, Mr.?
Yes.
For the opposite party, oblique petitioners have objected to the prayer made on the ground that this matter has been pending for a very long time as far as the publication of the said recruitment rules are concerned, and for which this court in the said order dated 25 has remarked at para 8 of the same, wherein it is noticed that even after 17 years, the said recruitment rules have not yet been published. The Learned Counsel has submitted that a period of 6 months may not be granted for such process. This court, on consideration of the submission made, would allow the prayer made by the petitioner, by the applicant, oblique Union of India, and the 3 months period as indicated at para 34 supra is hereby extended. However, as to the prayer for 6 months, the same is not found justified, and the Union of India is directed to publish the said recruitment rules within a period of 4 months from the date of this order. No further extension of time will be allowed henceforth. Petition disposed of.
Deeply.
Item number 4.
Yes. What is required here?
Lordship, entering appearance today for on behalf of respondent number 1. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file my affidavit. Same of Muslim.
The other respondents have filed their...
2, 3, 4 are yet to receive the notice, Your Lordship. We've taken steps.
Oh, you have not.
Two, three, four.
Yes, Mr. Shula, you are in this case?
Lordship, yes, for respondent number 5, Your Lordship. So far, the police is concerned, Your Lordship. Step has already been taken, Your Lordship. We have initiated 107 proceeding, Your Lordship.
We file a report.
Lordship, 2 weeks' time, can it be allowed, Your Lordship?
Mr. Letter Counsel for the respondent 1 has submitted that the counter affidavit could not be filed today and has prayed for some time for the same to be filed. Pre-allowed. Mr. P. Nombri, Letter Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the notice issued upon respondent 2, 3 and 4 respectively has not been received, as reports would indicate. It is prayed that some more time will be
further orders
awaited for the said report of the complaint number 5 has submitted that the officer in charge has taken necessary steps and has followed due procedure as far as the case of the petitioner herein is concerned. It is, however, prayed that a compliance report may be allowed to be filed for this court.
Item number 5. Please,
Yes,
Lordship.
tell me.
Lordship, this is also an extension of the bail order passed by this Honourable Court on 28/12/2016, wherein the Honourable Court was pleased to grant bail to the accused person for a period of 1 month. Now, after release from the prison, she has gone to the institution, the hospital, to take a treatment. Now where before this Honourable Court for the extension of the time, because doctor has also, she's under medical observations, and then they have given a report to review after 2 months again. So I am for extension of the bail order.
Where's the medical report?
Yes, Lordship. It is at annexure D. It starts from 11, so annexure D is 13, 12, 13. Page 11, 12, 13. These are the originals. Also, Your Lordship, I have phone problems.
No. Okay.
No.
Delhi Hospital. Yes.
And 6/3 will be
2 months. Yes, Lordship. Lordship, may I please do yes.
It's only a case of review.
Reviews so that can be seen whether
no further treatment is required.
Yes, Your Lordship. To remove the implant.
That has not been done.
No, not yet done, Your Lordship. She has gone right after she was released, gone for checkup, and then she's under medical treatment for the purpose of removing that implant. It's not yet removed.
Yes, Mr. Shulai. What is the stage of the case? I think it's for recording of evidence.
Yes, Your
Lordship, yes.
How many witnesses have been examined?
No witness has been examined after that. Also, witnesses are not coming, Your Lordship.
I think there are
4 or
about
5 dates gone. Yes.
9 or 11 witnesses.
Lordship,
In one
yes.
case, yes. One case, 9 witnesses. And after that, 4 dates have gone. No witness has come to date.
May it please Your Lordship. If Lordship kindly see the medical report, Your Lordship, at page 11.
Yes.
Lordship, she is OPD. She is our outpatient, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to page 13. Lordship, there is nothing, or Lordship, to indicate, Your Lordship, that the pitchna, that something has, she went there for removing the implant, Your Lordship. Nothing has been said, Your Lordship, in the prescription. Nothing has been said, Your Lordship. Then another aspect of the matter.
With regard to that, what my learned senior has said, in the down portion where it is given advice, soldier medical term, Your Lordship. So this is the thing which X-ray was also done, and this X-ray and all this thing is there, and advice soldier that medical term is given. So she went for that, Your Lordship.
Yes, we will not understand this. What is not even legible?
So what is this word, Your Lordship? This is not readable.
Whether it means removal, or whether it means wait for a while.
Lordship, this is not readable, Your Lordship.
Yeah, that is given. Review after 2 months.
No, the review portion, that is okay.
Yes.
That is okay.
Nothing has been said, Your Lordship, against relating to removal, Your Lordship. What is this word? New and very difficult to read.
So her last visit to the, in fact, I don't think it's a hospital. I think this is a doctor, private doctor, or
No, it's in the hospital.
Valley Hospital.
It's a Valley Hospital and Research Center.
So the last
yes.
visit was on 6.
And he's in the orthopedics. Yes.
Last visit was on 6.
6. Right after she was out from the prison. Yes, she went.
We'll get a report from this doctor.
Yes,
Yes,
Your Lordship.
Final reports. What exactly is required? Required to be hospitalized? Whether it's not required. If she's not required to be hospitalized, then it's pointless.
Then another aspect also, Your Lordship, the doctor which the accused desire to meet, Your Lordship, that is Dr. Kokon. Also, that also has been transferred. He's no more there in Bali Hospital. That has.
This is Dr. Farooq A. Chaudhary, who has treated her now.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We'll get a report. You said the period expire on?
On the 1st. On the 1st February, Your Lordship, yes.
Yes, sir, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has submitted that this court might order dated 28/12/2023 in BA number 68 of 2023 had allowed the petitioner and allowed the accused Miss
Kim Nicole
Konsai or Srimati Kim Nicole Konsai go for medical treatment at the Valley Hospital, Silchar, Assam, for the purpose of removal of an implant on her left arm.
Lordship.
The learned counsel has submitted that a report has submitted that the accused had accordingly proceeded to the said Valley Hospital and Research Center and had been treated by one Dr. Farooq A. Chaudhary, who on 6/1/2024 had advised the accused to come for a review after 2 months. This being the case, the learned counsel has submitted that the time period stipulated by this court for the interim bill will expire on 1/1/2024, and accordingly, since the review for which the accused person is to on or about 6/3/2024, it is therefore prayed that this petition for extension of the time period for the interim bill may be granted. Mr. Initially Learned AAG in his submission has submitted that in his submission has pointed out that from the medical report as annexed in the petition, nothing is indicated as to the procedure that was conducted at the said hospital on the accused person. And as such, it is not clear as to whether she is required for hospitalization or not. It is therefore prayed that a report may be sought for from the said hospital to indicate the correct position as far as treatment of the said accused person is concerned. This court has considered the submission made, and at this point of time is also in agreement with the learned AAG that a detailed status report as far as the case of the accused person is concerned is required. Accordingly, the said Dr. Farooq A. Chaudhry of Valley Hospital and Research Center is hereby directed to file a comprehensive report as far as the process of treatment of the accused person,
as well as the medical condition also, Your Lordship.
Yeah, that is what is required.
Lordship. Yes.
Process and medical condition of the accused person is concerned. The said report to be filed within the next date fix. I don't think we'll be able to do it at first.
Comes in the first week of Feb, Lordship, 7A, Lordship, or let it come on 13, Your Lordship. Then
13.
13.
As in the meantime, since the interim bail granted, since the period of interim bail granted would expire on 1/2/2024, till such time the report is filed, the said period is extended. List this matter on 13.
Lordship, only a copy of the order will have to be transmitted.
Let a copy of this order be issued upon the, who do we say, medical superintendent or the director, or who will be in charge? Medical superintendent of Valley Hospital and Research Center for compliance. Is it medical superintendent?
Lordship, I think the general administration of any hospital lies with the medical superintendent, Your Lordship. I think they do have this post, Lordship, medical superintendent, Your Lordship.
It could be director, could be administrator, could be any term used. We don't know.
Maybe director, probably, Lordship. Yes. Probably director, I think, yes.
Director / medical superintendent, Your Lordship.
Anyway,
Yes, Lordship.
I think that I don't think they'll be dumb enough to understand.
Like Nekrim, they have a director, Your Lordship. He's all in all. Like in other hostel, Your Lordship, medical superintendent, Your Lordship.
I think it's understood.
Apply, Your Lordship. Next item is same, Your Lordship.
This is matter on Kanhum tomorrow?
On 13, Your Lordship. 1-3. Next item also similar order, Your Lordship.
Same order.
Highly apply, Your Lordship.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 9. My lord, praying for 3 weeks time for the matter to come out because the conducting counsel is authorization.
Is the dogma matter?
On premier with the petitioner, this is matter to 3 weeks.
Item number 13.
This is the problem, you see, now sometimes has elapsed, you are filing the written argument now, but the substance of the oral argument has been lost on this court.
Then we can just.
Will you refresh the court on next date?
We'll brief this honorable court. We'll update, just brush up for my lord, just to recollect, and then we can place our written argument also on that day.
On pre-made with parties, this is matter to 1 week. 1 week?
Yes, 1 week. But can it be on 12th, my lord?
2 weeks. Sorry.
Item number 14.
Same order.
Same order, yes. 13 order, same order, yes.
Item number 18.
16, 17. One corner.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, may I advance arguments? If everybody is ready.
Yes, sir. What is this matter about?
Your Lordship, I have come here for cancellation of bail. Yes, Your Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship, this matter pertains to cancellation of bail, Your Lordship. Lordship, actually this matter was previously listed before the other bench, Your Lordship.
Before?
Before Justice Bhattacharya.
The heard Ms. Leonard Counsel for the petitioner who has submitted that this matter was placed before this bench on the strength of an order dated 19/12/2023 passed in this matter when the matter was before a coordinate bench of this court. However, today none has appeared on behalf of the respondent. It is prayed that this matter may be taken up on the next date fix. As prayed for, this is matter of the 2 weeks. You can inform
Yes,
to say,
Lordship. Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 20.
My apology, Your Lordship. Item number 19 to 22, it's a connected matter, Your Lordship.
19 to 22?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same order.
Item number
Much
23.
obliged, Lordship.